Hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas2025. And just got some stuff delivered from Sam's Club. So I forgot what I ordered. I ordered this stuff really. Hey guys, hey family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. Welcome to Vlogmas 2025. It's been a busy day for me. I just got home, did some grocery shopping. It's sunny today, but it's cold out there, so I was bundled up. Hat, scarf, gloves, and my leather coat. And so just kind of like put groceries away and sat down, and then my Sam's Club delivery just came through. So let's see what we got, and they're pretty fast too. Family members gave me a gift card, so I ordered a few things. Oh, let's see. Got some walnuts. So hopefully these are 48 ounces of walnuts, and so help me stop snacking from chips, so I can get a few walnuts. Okay, that's all that came through. And then I've been a Sam's Club member for almost 40 years, if not longer. Pretty much close to when they first started, when they first opened, because I love to go to grand openings. And the first grand opening was in my hometown of Cincinnati, Ohio. And so I went there and I signed up right then and there. So I've been a Sam's Club member ever since. And then I moved to Georgia. I've been here 30-something, over 35 years. So, and they've been great. They've been essential for my, my cleaning business, my catering business. Oh, I was in there probably twice a week when I was a caterer. Okay. All right, so then let me show you then my other items. I got some, I'll show you. We'll see how it looks together first. I love loungewear, so now that I'm retired, I like nice loungewear. And so these are some velvet lounge pants. But let me show you what what it has on the back. Yes. And I'm not going to show my size, but I will show the label. So I got some Juicy Couture loungewear. These are like velvet or whatever you call a velour. All right, got that. And these were like under $15. They were like 13 something. So where else will you get some juicy stuff? This is just for me. You know, I'm lounging around the house, maybe running to the store, grocery store. And then I love a nice hoodie. As you see, guys, how I dress now, just all black, very comfy. Because let me tell you, when I first started working in the 80s, it was all having to like have your hair. There was we couldn't wear braids and stuff in the 80s in corporate America. There was no braids, no dreads, no locks, none of that. It was like flat ironing, curling your hair every day, wearing a nice suit, dress, professional attire, pumps, and pantyhose, okay? So now I don't do none of that stuff. So it's right, so I got a nice juicy couture top. Here's the label. It's a hoodie and it has it on the back. Has the juicy rind. I love rhinestones. That's the only like color I get because I wear black, so I like to have some bling. You need to bling out the black. So, all right, so I got that. And okay, just a sec. Okay, then I got a big thing of toilet tissue. Let's see, 45 large rolls. Got that. So that's all that came today. Got a few more things coming to complete this order. Excuse me. Okay, so me and Sam's Club, we've grown up together because at the early stages of Sam's Club, they didn't deliver. The thing that made them inexpensive in a membership, you know, if you needed bulk items, you needed wholesale items, you know, you had to go to the warehouse, to Sam's Club warehouse, and you had to pick the stuff up. And, you know, you load it up. You don't get a bag, you know. So now they've evolved and, you know, they, if they can bring the stuff to me, I'll still stay a member. So that's why I'm getting, you know, toilet paper, and, you know, just staple items getting them delivered to me. I haven't seen anything like a good quality name brand item that you can really get, you know, for under $15. You know, this is old school, you know. We grew up with this brand, so Juicy Couture. Grew up with that, so that's it for today, guys, on this haul. And I'll see you on my next video. Okay? Bye. Bye, Mom.